Okay, here we're going to simplify. Notice that everything you see here is a product. -2 times v to the -7th times y times 9 times v to the 6th times y cubed times 2 times u to the 5th times u to the 9th. So everything is a product. We will be using our product rule for exponents. So if you have two like bases being multiplied together, add your exponents. Okay, let's go ahead and start just with your constants. You're just going to take those and multiply those together. -2 times 9 is -18, times 2 is a -36. Okay, now let's take our first variable v. We have two v's in our problem, so you're going to add -7 plus 6. Okay, let's take our next variable, y. There's a y, there's a y. Since we're multiplying, we'll add those exponents. Now we don't see an exponent on this y, so it is assumed to be 1 if you don't see one. So 1 plus 3. Okay, and then last we do have a u, two u's, so they are being multiplied. Let's go ahead and add 5 plus 9. So do your addition. -7 plus 6 is v to the -1. 1 plus 3 is 4, y to the 4th, u to the 5 plus 9. Okay, one last thing is that negative exponent on our v term, so don't ever leave exponents as negatives, negative numbers. So you're going to use the negative exponent rule. You change that term's location so its exponent becomes positive. Now the -36, that's going to stay where it's at. A lot of times students will see that negative and take it to the bottom, but negative numbers are fine. It's negative exponents that you've got to worry about, and this exponent has a positive 1. So we're going to leave the -36 where it's at. The y, you're going to leave where it's at. The u, you're going to leave where it's at. Those exponents are positive. And it's the v that has the negative exponent, so that's going to go down to the bottom. Now if you have an exponent of 1, you don't have to write it. Remember, if you don't see an exponent, it is assumed to be 1, so you can leave that 1 off of the v. And there you go.